Hello and welcome to this video solution of Numerade. So you have to solve this inequality. Here you have got x square minus 16 over this is x square minus 4x minus 5, right? That is greater than equal to 0. Now what you can do, you have to factorize it. So x square minus 4 square over this is x square minus 5x plus x minus 5, that is uh, greater than equal to 0. Now this is x plus 4, x minus 4, right? And here you have got x, this is x minus 5, and plus 1, this is x minus 5, right? That is greater than equal to 0. So here you have got x plus 4, x minus 4, and here you have got x minus 5 and x plus 1, right? That is equal to 0. Now what here we see is that we have got certain intervals. So here you have got